morning and welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. This morning we're going to have a look at how to make some of these lovely little gift bags from the Best Dress suite from Stampin' Up. So I'm just going to bring in the catalogue so that you can see the bundle, and it comes with these lovely dies. This one makes the bag and these are the handles, and it also comes with this lovely stamp set. So you've got the perfume, the lipstick, the shoes, some nice sentiments and some florals. So let's start making a bag. I'm going to show you two ways today of putting the gift bag together, but I'm going to use the same colourways and things, so it's very simple. The dies from this set actually come on two different sheets. So you've got this one where you get the main bag die, and then you get two different sizes of buttons. The buckles are done really well because you get two dies with two buckles on each, so you can cut all four buckles that you'd need for a bag on one pass through the machine. Then this will cut round sentiments, or can be like a label for your bag. These cut round the flowers from the stamp set, perfume bottle from the stamp set, and then you've got the handle, a little label die, lipstick and the shoe from the stamp set. So what I've done, I've used those dies to just cut out some pieces out of Petal Pink cardstock. So you need two of the bag die, you need two handles, and then I've cut out two of the buckles and the label from gold foil sheath. So we're going to start with these two pieces. You just need to fold down all of the creases. It's really easy. And because they're actually scored for you, then you can see they just fold really well. So with this triangle bit at the bottom, you just want to make sure that you've folded it a little bit, but it's not going to fold properly until it's all together. Alright, so then you want to make sure that this bit is at the top on both, because that's the top of your bag. And then I'm just going to take some tear and tape, and then we just want to put a little bit along this long side here. Just tear it off there. It's the best thing about the tear and tape, you can literally just tear it off. So there's no trying to have 5 hands finding scissors and things. Right, and then we're going to take the backing off. And then you can just line up the top of the two pieces together and just put them together along that line. So then you can do that again for this one here. Just put the tape along there. Take off the backing, and then just fold them together like this. So then for this first bag, I'm going to push these out. So what I like to do is have one side in, then fold those over, and then fold that over the top. And that way you get a nice clean finish inside and outside. So then I'm just going to put some more tear and tape on here. I'm just going to use that to seal the bottom of the box. You can just pop your fingers inside to make sure it's all nicely sealed. And that's the main body of the bag done, so it's really simple. Then to attach the handles, I'm just going to run my fingers along them to make them a bit bendy, because that helps when you come to adhere them. And then I'm just going to thread these ends through like this. And again on the other one. So you want to go under, over, under. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of tape to the underneath. I'm just going to make sure that that tape goes over the top of that buckle just to hold it on nicely. Then we're going to take the back off. And you can just attach this like this. And you can do the same on the other side. So you can see we've got our basic bag there, so it's just left for us to embellish it. So like you saw, there's buttons and labels and all sorts to embellish it with, but I've chosen to use this gold piece here. So I'm just going to stick that on so that it looks a bit like a pocket. So then what we're going to do, we're just going to find a scrap piece of petal pink. You can see that this is left over from where I die cut the bag. And I'm just going to get my Memento black ink and one of the flowers from the stamp set. I'm just going to stamp that on a spare piece of cardstock. And then I've just got a light petal pink blend and the light granny apple green. And I'm just going to add a little bit of extra colour using those. I'm going to do it really quickly just to add a little bit. So then I can die cut that out using the coordinating die that we saw on the die set earlier. And then I'm just going to add that to my little bag as a little decoration. And that's that bag completed. So I'm just going to quickly show you another shape of bag that we can use doing this. So we start off in exactly the same way. So I'll just fast forward through the first bit. And then we're just going to push the side bits in instead of out here. And then we're just going to tape up the bottom in the same way. So then we're going to create a little backpack style bag. So we're going to put the buckles on just as we did before. So then this time we're going to put them on like this at the front, like we did before, but then at the back we're going to put them down here. That then creates this cool backpack style bag. And then I'm just going to put the same embellishments on as last time. So the little pouch to create a little pocket on the top and the little flower. And it creates this really cute, cool little backpack. So this is just the two bags together. You can see they're really nice size for little bits of jewellery or chocolates or whatever it is that you're given as a gift. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Please click subscribe if you'd like to see more projects and the new ones as they come through. In the description below, I've put all of the links to the products if you'd like to purchase anything that we've used today, and I've also put the link to my blog. So I hope to see you again soon. Bye!